A flock of geese crossing the sky often forms a clear V. It looks orderly, almost ceremonial. But the shape is not mainly for beauty. It saves energy. A bird flies by creating lift. When it flaps its wings, it pushes air downward. By pushing air down, the bird is pushed upward. That upward force is lift. But the air around a wing does not move in a simple straight line. Near the wingtips, air curls into rotating tubes called wingtip vortices. These vortices trail behind the bird as it flies. Inside this swirling pattern, some air moves downward and some air moves upward. The upward moving part is called upwash. A bird flying in just the right position behind and to the side of another bird can use that upwash. It gets a little extra lift from the air already shaped by the bird ahead. That means it does not need to flap quite as hard. For one wing beat, the saving is small, but migration is not one wing beat. Geese may travel hundreds or thousands of kilometers. Over long distances, even a small reduction in effort can matter a great deal. This is why geese do not usually fly in a tight crowd or a straight line directly behind one another. Directly behind the lead bird, the air may be disturbed in an unhelpful way. Slightly behind and to the side, the upwash can help. When many birds take those positions, the pattern becomes a V. The lead bird has the hardest role. It does not get useful upwash from another bird in front. So geese often rotate leaders. When the front bird tires, another bird moves forward, and the tired bird drops back into a position where it can save energy. This is cooperation written into aerodynamics. The V formation also helps with communication and navigation. Each bird can see others in the flock. Spacing becomes easier to maintain. If one bird changes speed or direction, the others can respond. Humans have studied similar effects in aviation. Aircraft flying in formation can, under controlled conditions, benefit from the wake of aircraft ahead. But with airplanes, the safety challenges are serious. Birds do this naturally through vision, instinct, and constant adjustment. There is another important point. The V is not always perfect. Real flocks shift, bend, split, and reform. Wind changes. Birds change position. The formation is dynamic, not rigid. It is a living system adapting to moving air. So when we see geese flying in a V, we are seeing more than a pattern. We are seeing each bird use the invisible trail left by another. The flock flies farther not because every bird is equally strong at every moment, but because the group shares the aerodynamic burden. The lead bird breaks the air. The following birds ride parts of the upward flow. Then they trade places. What looks graceful from the ground is actually physics, endurance, and cooperation in motion. The geese are not merely flying together. They are sharing the air.